Mercedes-Benz just hit the brakes on its all-electric future, or at least eased off the accelerator. If you thought gas-powered Benzes were going extinct soon, think again. The iconic automaker just made a big shift in its EV strategy, and it's going to affect everything from the new CLA to the upcoming 2026 GLC. Let's break it all down. Mercedes CEO Ola Källenius recently told Auto Motor and Sport that the company is making a course correction in its EV rollout. Translation: they're not ditching gas engines anytime soon. In his words, the electrified high-tech combustion engines will run longer than we originally expected. So instead of forcing every model into electric-only territory, Mercedes will run dual powertrain options, gas and electric, side by side. And yes, that includes flagship models like the next-gen CLA and the all-new GLC. The big reason behind this pivot? Charging infrastructure just isn't ready, at least not everywhere. Mercedes knows that in many regions, especially outside major cities or in emerging markets, drivers still rely heavily on gas stations. By offering both options, the brand can keep buyers happy no matter where they live. And let's be honest, not everyone's ready to give up internal combustion just yet. Let's talk models. The new CLA is leading the charge, pun intended, with both EV and combustion versions available. It rides on the MMA platform, which is designed to handle both setups. But the big story is the upcoming 2026 GLC. This electric SUV will replace the underwhelming EQC and ride on the new MB.EA platform, a ground-up EV-only design. The MB.EA architecture supports 800-volt charging and speeds up to 320 kilowatts, meaning you could potentially add hundreds of miles in just minutes, putting it in the same league as Porsche and Hyundai's top-tier EVs. Now here's where it gets interesting. The electric and gas-powered GLCs won't share a platform, but they'll be sold side by side. This gives buyers a clear choice: go with a traditional powertrain or embrace the EV future. Either way, Mercedes wants you in a GLC. This strategy mirrors what Porsche is doing with the Macan. The EV version is launching in North America, while the gas Macan sticks around in other markets. Mercedes is taking a global approach, offering options based on buyer preference and infrastructure readiness. So what do you think? Is Mercedes making the right move by slowing down its EV push? Or should they go all in like Tesla and Polestar? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next update in the battle between gas and electric.